progress. Alina Hocevar, Slovenia, bronze medalist in the K1 team competition. Father, both Olympians. Alina Hocevar has had some interesting competition here, coming with such strong form, but hasn't had a great championship. Alina has been really strong.
Such a nice sweep there under gate 8. She paddles very aggressively. It's an impressive style. Alina has 4 under-23 World Championship medals, 7 under-23 European Championship medals, and 2 Junior World Championship medals. An impressive resume. Her brother gets a lot of attention, but Alina is absolutely one to watch. Super aggressive there through gate 13 with the direct. That was possibly the best I've seen so far in this semi.
Making her way in the senior ranks. It's 9th in Paris. Been on the World Cup podiums this year. In Prague. See how hard she's walking. She gets across to line up for downstream gate at 21.
Oh, I think that was safe. Just keeping us on our toes.
So 2.452, that's enough. So Martina Satkova, 2.56. She's in a couple of paddlers' time. Naomi Fox from Australia will be next. Hocevar down to the finish, 1:19, 1:18 it is. So